bag and one in the trunk. We're headed to Longest Tire Shop right now in Ropesville, Texas. It's like 10-15 minutes from Logo where I live. And we're gonna get these wrapped in some, I believe it said Toyos what we're using. And we can put on the car. So yeah, started up there, got the tires on. Or got the tires here, we can get them wrapped up, put on, and we'll get back to you. We'll get back to you whenever we get to the shop. Right here we got my uncle's tire shop, Roseville, Texas. You got another location down there. He's just opening up. Beats Tire Services, cars, trucks, agricultural. Got the number over here on the other side, but he can be mobile. He can come to you whenever, whatever, you know. Right there, there's the number. Hit him up for all your wheel and tire needs. He can hook you up on the wheels and the tires. With the Toyo Proxies, $295 in the rear, $275 in the front. Got our girl over here jacked up. And here pretty quick, I'm gonna get these painted red to match the stripes. But yeah, hopefully not too much longer. See the finished product. Hate these wheels. Bro, these things are fucking huge. What's up, everybody? Picking up the video the next day. I ended up ordering the wrong tires and they were too tall and they weren't clearing the front tires. They weren't clearing the strut. So I got some different tire orders. We got some different tires ordered. They came in the next day. We were going with Toyo Proxies, and now we have BFGs. Still the same width, 275 in the front, and we went with the 305 in the back. So we got some meat now. But let's check it out. There she is. Oh my goodness. It looks fucking sweet now. I can't believe how good it looks. We need a little bit of low. But I mean, other than that, God. Love these wheels. Went with the Z28 reps. Tires are pretty flush in the rear. And in the front. We went with the 10 on the front, wrapped in a 275, and then an 11 in the rear, wrapped in a 305. So yeah, ladies and gents, there she is. Sick. So y'all stay tuned for more. Thank y'all so much for watching.